Hey! Say good morning. Say good morning.
You don't look like 28. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I decided to come over here to my Papaw's. There he is. Say hi. You got fans.
Who's the Papaw?
You're the Papaw.
You're the Papaw.
You've got fans. You're on TV.
They know I sit right here.
Yep.
Yep, that's his chair.
Yeah.
And I brought a drone, because you guys remember, he loves a drone. So I got a little SD card in there for you too, so now I don't have to swap out SD cards from this camera to that drone, and yeah, it has its own separate thing. So I reckon here in a little bit we'll get it up and we'll see what it's all going to do. I'm going to try to do some more fancy stuff with it. I've been looking up some videos. I've yet to try it yet, so it could go really bad, but we'll see. If it does go bad, I'll blame it on you.
Yeah, you can been around there. I'll talk to you.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
We are going to be going outside and flying the drone, but talked to Papaw and he kind of wanted to see it fly inside, so we got pretty tight quarters here, but we're going to do both. We're going to do both. It's going to be all around. You're going to see how good I am with this. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I reckon I'll just have Mom film that, and then I will incorporate the drone footage, because like I said, I got the SD card in there, and
Okay.
Where's
good stuff.
That'll work.
Alright, it's recording.
Okay.
Whoa, boy! He's in the woods.
That is so cool.
Oh no. Can you go backwards? Well, yeah. Hang on, I gotta get it back over to me.
Where is it? There it is.
Alright, so we're finally outside, got the drone. It's a bit windy, so it should be interesting, but we got everything set up. I forgot to actually stop recording. There's so many June bugs everywhere. They're everywhere, they'll take your head off. I forgot to actually stop recording, so that clip that you guys just saw from inside the house actually ran 7 minutes. So that's fun. Good job, Jordan. So yeah, we'll go into some drone footage. I'll try to get a little bit more creative and hopefully not crash it, but we'll see. It'll be good.
Don't even say that.
Do what?
Don't even say that.
So, Mom was talking about wanting to fly the drone, so I'm gonna let her do it.
Hi.
I'll let her
I'm
fly
a
the
nervous
drone.
wreck.
Me too.
Yeah.
But
Oh dear.
I'm fully confident. But I'm not gonna have any drone footage. I'm not gonna record anything with this one, except for on this camera I will. But yeah. So we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna get it set up, and we're gonna let her take her off.
And of course we're gonna record.
Alright, so when you're holding it, now you gotta hold it with confidence.
Okay.
Hold it with confidence.
Alright.
Alright, so good lord, I fell.
Careful.
I got both my legs.
What does this one do?
Do what? Alright, so what you're gonna do, hang on. what you're gonna do is you're gonna take both of those and you're gonna pull them down and in, and hold it. Now put your finger on top of it.
What does that do?
You'll see. Down and in.
Oh my God.
Now let them go.
Okay.
Now this one,
Yeah.
slowly push it up. Now this one, push that forward.
Well, you pretty good, Joe.
Now don't get off to the side now. Now go back over a little bit, go up a little bit higher. Hang on, slow down, slow down, slow down. Go out a little bit more. No. There you
That
go.
way?
Out. There you go. Now go up a little bit more.
Oh God.
There you go. Try and get her to land it for the first time too. Alright, go back over this way just a little bit. Alright, that's good. Now go back. Over that way just a little bit. A little bit more. There you go. Now go straight back. Easy, easy, easy. Stop. Alright, now when you pull this down, pull it straight down.
All right.
Straight down. There you go. Hold it, 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 hold it. There you go. You landed it.
Hey, I did it.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
See?
I don't believe I actually did it.
Oh, so real quick, yeah, I'm back here at the house. Dad sent me something for our big trip. And I want to show it to you guys because it's pretty awesome. They are headlamps, but that whole bar is basically like a floodlight LED thing. And batteries go on the back. I don't have any batteries yet to show y'all how it works, but once I'm going to get some today, and then we'll go out tonight and test them out. But yeah, I got 2 of them, so that's going to be pretty sweet. Alright, so I was planning on trying this thing out road cruising tonight, but I ended up burning some trash over there, and had to wait for the flame spot to die down so it would be safe. But does this thing look cool or what? Also, got batteries in it, and oh my God, I have to go out here to show you guys just how bright this is. All you herpers are going to be absolutely jealous. Now, I'm not going to show it directly into the camera because you literally cannot look directly into this light. But I'm going to go out here where it's completely pitch black. The camera might be out of focus, but this is what it looks like. Like, I mean, I'll flip it around once so you can see it. Brace your eyes. Jesus. I mean, you could just walk around anywhere, and it's so bright. It's ridiculous. So yeah, get down, you're filming something on the road, like a snake right there. Boom, you're good. And it's pitch black over here. And you can see everything. It lights up all of this. I mean, just, good God. So yeah, hang on, let me turn it off. Alright, so yeah, these things are going to come in handy cruising, and I cannot wait. The only problem is that shadow, so I have to figure out something so I don't get the shadow of the camera. But anyway, technicalities. But yeah, I'm going to jump off here, edit this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow after work, probably going to do DoorDash after I get off work. I'm going to try to, as long as it's busy. If it's not busy here in Clinton, I might try to shoot down in Knoxville. But anyway, see y'all tomorrow.